Friends, today I am going to discuss exercise 3.1. Now the first question is find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measure. You know that if we have to find radian measure, what will we do? We have to move from degree to radian. So we'll multiply by pi by 180. So here you have 25 degree. So radian measure will be 25 into pi by 180. On simplification, this is going to be 5 pi by 36 radian, or you can also write like this 5 pi upon 36, this symbol. The symbol is also used for radian. Either you can write RAD or you can write this symbol. Now the second question is find the radian measure of the degree measure minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Now negative sign just show that the rotation of angle is clockwise. So I am writing a negative sign as it is. We have 47 degree plus 30 minutes. Now you know that 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. From here 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree, right? So here you have 30 minute. So that means if 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree, right? So 30 minutes, this is going to be 30 by 60 degree. So here I am writing 30 by 60 degree. This is 1 by 2. Take LCM. This is 94 plus 1 divided by 2. That is minus 95 by 2 degree. Right? Now you have to find the radian measure. If we have to find the radian measure, we multiply it by pi by 180. Again simplify this. If we divide it by 5, this is going to be 19. And here you are going to have 36. So this is minus 19 pi by 72 radian. Next, question number 2 is find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. Now, the first part is 11 by 16. This is in radian. You have to find the degree measure. So we'll multiply it by 180 by pi. Now you need to find the answer in degree. So put the value of pi here. This is 22 by 7. Now first you simplify it. This is 11. Here you have 22. So 2. Now again divided by 2. Here you are going to have 90. Now again divided by 2. This is 45. And here you are going to have 8. So 45 into 7. 315. And in denominator you are going to have 8. So this is 315 upon 8 degree. You have to completely simplify this. You cannot leave your answer in fractional form. We have 315 divided by 8. So divided by 8. This is 324. Now 5 divided by 8. So your quotient is going to be 39. That means we have exactly 39 degree plus. This is your remainder and this is divisor. You always write in the form of quotient plus remainder upon divisor as you have done in previous classes, right? So this is exact 39 degree and here you have 3 by 8 degree. Now convert this fractional parts in minutes, right? As you know, 1 degree is 60 minutes, right? So I'm putting the value of 3 by 8 degree. I'm converting this in minutes. So this is 3 by 8 into 60 minutes. Now simplify this. If we divide it by 4, there are 2 and here 15. Now 3 into 15, 45 by 2 minutes. Again divide it by 2. So you'll have, right? So that means in this case your quotient is going to be 22. So this is 22 minutes plus quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So this is 1 by 2 minutes. Now again convert this fractional parts in seconds. As 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So we'll writing 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. Right? So this is 30 seconds. Either you can write plus sign or you can simply write like this. 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. Now the second part of this question is find the degree measure of the radian minus 4. So the second part is convert this radian measure into degree. As we have to find the degree measure, so we'll multiply it by 180 by pi. Now put the value of pi. This is 22 by 7. Now simplify this. Divide by 2. Here you are going to have 11. So this is on multiplication. This is going to be 2520 and in denominator we are 11. Again negative sign just show that the rotation of angle is clockwise. Right? So here you have this term in a fractional part. So we'll divide it by 11. On dividing by 11, your quotient is 229. So we'll write quotient plus, again we have to write quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So your quotient is 229. So we have 229 degree plus remainder upon divisor 1 upon 11 degree. Now you have to convert this fractional part in minutes. As 1 degree is 60 minutes, so we'll multiply it by 60. This is 60 upon 11. If you divide 60 by 11, your quotient will be 5 and remainder is also 5. So we'll write this quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So you have 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 minutes. Again convert this fractional parts in seconds. As 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you'll have 300 upon 11. Right? If you divide it by 11, you'll have, now this is 27. This is not again exactly divisible. If you take this as 22, so that means this is going to be 27.2. So we'll write approximately. You have approximately 27 seconds, or in this case you will write minus 229 degree 5 minutes and 27 seconds approximately. As this is not exactly divisible, so we are writing it as approximately. Now the third part is 5 pi by 3 radian. You have to find the degree measure. So we'll multiply by 180 by pi. Here pi is cancel. 3, if you divide it, here you are going to have 60. So this is going to be 5 into 60. This is 300 degree.